Welcome to online English class. This is level 1, lesson number 7, starting on April 27th. This is video number 2. Today, we're going to talk about Unit 7, Lesson E, and we're going to practice using lists. You are probably watching this video between April 27th and May 11th. This video was filmed on April 23rd. Alright, so let's talk about lists. A list is a lot of things you need. Maybe to go shopping, maybe you need something when you go shopping. So how do we make a list? Like this. We use a comma. This is called a comma between every item. So between these numbers, there are commas. Before the last word, we have the word and. And goes before the last item, the last thing. So, when you make a list, there is a comma between every item. When you make a list, there is a comma. This is a comma. There's a comma between every item. The word and goes before the last item. So number 6. Number 6 is the last item. It's the last thing here. The word and goes before the number 6, before the last item. So we can say we need eggs, milk, and strawberries. So this is the list of things we need. We need eggs, milk, and strawberries. In this list, there are 3 things. 1, 2, and 3. Eggs, milk, and strawberries. Between every item is a comma. Comma, comma. See? Between every item, there's a comma. Before the last word, there's the word and. So before strawberries, which is the last item, we have the word and. That is how you make a list. Alright, so let's make the list a little more difficult. So we can say we need 12 eggs, comma, a gallon of milk. A gallon of milk. A gallon is the big bottle of milk. This is how much this is the measurement of milk. So it's the big bottle of milk, the really big one. So we need 12 eggs, a gallon of milk, and 4 boxes of strawberries. So we have 12 eggs, comma, a gallon of milk, comma, and 4 boxes of strawberries. So, in our first list, we said we needed eggs, milk, and strawberries, but we don't say how many we need. Now, we say how many we need. We say we need 12 eggs, a gallon of milk, and 4 boxes of strawberries. So, this is the item. It's 12 eggs, a gallon of milk, and 4 boxes of strawberries. That's how you make a list. All right, page 89 in your book. Page 89 in your book. Let's look at this picture at the top. Let's make a list of everything we have here. I'm going to start the sentence with, we have. So, we have let's start on the left. We have water bottles or bottles of water. Let's do bottles of water. How many bottles of water? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 bottles of water. We can say bottles of water or we can say water bottles. It's the same thing. We have 4 bottles of water, comma. What's next? Cheese. So it says here 2 packages of cheese. So let's do 2 packages of cheese, comma. Tea. How many boxes of tea? 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes of tea, comma. Flour. How many, let's see. Yeah, we're talking bags. So how many bags of flour? 1 bag of flour. 1 bag of flour, comma. Bread. How many loaves of bread? 1 loaf of bread. Okay. Apple juice. How many cartons of apple juice? 2 cartons of apple juice. This is a carton. It's called, I know right here it looks like you say carton, but the pronunciation is carton. So let me write it on the side for you. Carton. This word here is carton. Okay, so 2 cartons of apple juice. Meat. How many packages of meat? 1 package of meat. And finally, this is the last items that we write. And cans of soda. How many cans of soda? 6 cans of soda. All right, so this is our list. It's really long. So we have 4 bottles of water, comma, 2 packages of cheese, comma, 3 boxes of tea, 2 packages of cheese, 3 boxes of tea, 1 bag of flour, comma, 1 loaf of bread, comma, 2 cartons of apple juice, comma, 1 package of meat, comma. Before the last item, we always have the word and 6 cans of soda. So this is our list. Between every item is a comma. Before the last item is the word and. That's how you make a list. All right, so now let's go to page 92. Page 92 in the book. That's lesson E. Lesson E. Let's start here. Let's let's read this text message. So, this is a message from Kate to Mom. So, somebody named Kate is sending a message to her mom. Let's see what it says. Mom, please stop at Save More on your way home. Save More is the name of the grocery store. I'm making spaghetti for dinner. There is cheese in the refrigerator. There are 2 peppers next to the stove, but there aren't any onions. Please get 2. I also need 4 carrots, 2 tomatoes, a carton of milk, and a package of ground meat. Thanks. Okay, so let's see. Let's make a shopping list here. Here's everything Mom needs to buy for Kate. So let's make the list. What does she need to buy? I'm making spaghetti for dinner. There is cheese in the refrigerator. Okay, so she has cheese at home. There's cheese at home, so she does not need to buy cheese. There are 2 peppers next to the stove. Again, the peppers are next to the stove in the kitchen, so she does not need to buy more peppers. She already has peppers. But there aren't any onions, so there are no onions at home. Please get 2. Okay, so Mom needs to buy 2 onions. I also need 4 carrots. Okay, so she needs 4 carrots. 6 tomatoes. 6 tomatoes. A carton of milk. So 1 carton of milk. 1 carton of milk. And a package of ground meat. 1 package of ground meat. Okay, so let's look at this picture and let's write everything she is buying. What's in her cart? Let's see, it's Mom, and she's at Save More supermarket. Let's look at her cart. She has apples. She has 6 apples. Okay. Let's see, what else does she have? She has bread. So let's say a loaf of bread. This is coffee. So let's say a bag of coffee. 4 carrots. The carrots are in a bag. If you look at your book, you can see that the carrots are in a bag. So a bag of carrots. Number 5, water bottles. So 3 water bottles. Or 3 bottles of water. Number 6, this is orange juice. A carton of orange juice. Sometimes if you're lazy and you don't want to say orange juice, you can just call it OJ. Orange juice, OJ. Orange juice, OJ. Okay? Number 7, bananas. You can say bananas, or you can say a bunch of bananas. Or you can just say bananas. So this is what she's buying. But Kate says she needs more food to buy spaghetti. So what else does Mom need to buy? Mom needs to buy 2 onions, 4 carrots. Oh, she has carrots in her cart already, so the carrots are good. 6 tomatoes. Does she have tomatoes in her cart? No, she still needs tomatoes, okay? A carton of milk. Does she have any milk in here? There's no milk here. Okay, she needs milk. 1 package of ground meat. Any ground meat in here? Nope. So she only has the carrots right now. She needs to buy 2 onions, 6 tomatoes, 1 carton of milk, and 1 package of ground meat. All right, on page 93, they want us to put commas, put a comma after each item. So between each item. Commas are not very important, but hey, let's get some practice, okay? So this is paper. I can't zoom. Wow, okay. I have to zoom in on my phone, not the paper. This is paper. I can't zoom in, okay. Okay, so now we have a message from Iris. Iris to Roberto. So maybe this is Iris, okay? So they want us to put commas between each item. So let's see. Hi, Roberto. I'm making dinner tonight, but I need a few more groceries. A few is just some. I need some more groceries. I need a package of meat. Okay, so that's our first item, a package of meat, comma, an onion, comma, a green pepper, comma, 3 tomatoes, comma, and a bag of rice. I also need a carton of milk, comma, 2 bottles of apple juice, comma, 6 cans of soda, comma, and a carton of apple juice. Oh, and one more thing, a dozen eggs. Thanks, see you tonight. Okay, so at the bottom, I want you to practice sending a message to someone. So, let's talk about ingredients. Ingredients are things you need to cook food. So the ingredients for spaghetti here, see on this page, Kate is making spaghetti. The ingredients for spaghetti are cheese, peppers, onions, carrots, tomatoes, milk, and ground meat. These are the ingredients. All right, so ingredients. Ingredients. So, let's talk about making, what do you want to make? Let's make, I don't know, I'm not cooking right now. Let's make, wow, I can't think of anything. Let's make a cake. Okay, let's make a cake. So, the ingredients of a cake are flour, eggs, butter, sugar, salt, what else is it? Vanilla, extract. So, these are the ingredients for a cake. So, if we make a message here, we say, hi, I need these ingredients for a cake. So, hi, I need flour. Let's just say a bag of flour. Eggs. How many eggs? Maybe 4 eggs. Butter. 2 sticks of butter. Butter comes in sticks. They're long blocks of butter. We call them sticks. 2 sticks of butter, a bag of sugar, comma, a bag of salt, comma, and vanilla extract. Vanilla extract comes in a bottle. So, and a bottle of vanilla extract. So, when you send a message, you can send a message like this is good, or you can send a message in a sentence like this is good. So this is how you make a list of ingredients. Thanks for watching.